Welcome back to the Mirka workshop. Today, we're going to explore the versatile uses of the Mirka DEROS RS600 rotary sander. The DEROS RS600 is perfect for tough sanding jobs on a variety of materials. It's great for wood, so it makes it an excellent choice for furniture restoration, cabinetry, or flooring projects. Micro cement is another surface where the DEROS RS600 excels. It's ideal for creating smooth, even finishes on micro cement countertops, walls, and floors. Solid surfaces, like countertops and vanities, benefit from the precision and power of this sander. It's also perfect for composite materials, ensuring a professional finish every time. In marine applications, this tool shines. It's perfect for sanding teak decks, composite surfaces, anti-fouling, and even glass. For industrial applications, such as in the wind power industry, the DEROS RS600 is a powerhouse for sanding epoxy and other composites. As you can see, the Mirka DEROS RS600 rotary sander is incredibly versatile, tackling a wide range of materials and applications with ease. Whether you're working on a collision repair project or a heavy-duty industrial task, this sander is up to the challenge. Thank you for joining us today. Tune in for more tips and tricks from the workshop. Happy sanding!